Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we make banking simple and straightforward. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to book an appointment at RBC Bank quickly and easily, with our updated guide for 2025. Whether you're setting up a new account, discussing investments, or just need some financial advice, RBC makes it a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the RBC website or open the RBC mobile app. It's optimized for 2025, so everything is faster and more user-friendly. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Just sign up quickly with your email and basic info. Once you're logged in, look for the Appointments or Book Now section, usually right on the homepage or under the Services tab. Next, select the type of appointment you need. RBC offers options like in-branch meetings, virtual consultations, or even phone calls, perfect for busy schedules. Choose your preferred branch if it's in person, or go virtual for convenience. Now, pick a date and time that works for you. The system shows real-time availability, so you can snag a spot fast. Aim for off-peak hours like mid-morning to avoid waits. After that, double-check your details. Enter any additional info required, like the reason for your visit, and review everything to make sure it's accurate. Hit Confirm to book it, and you'll get an instant email or app notification with your appointment details. Pro tip: if you're using the app, you can even add reminders to your phone calendar. One more thing: always check for any 2025 updates, like new digital features or holiday closures, directly on the RBC site to avoid surprises. And if you run into issues, RBC's customer support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it. That's how you book an RBC appointment in no time. It's that easy and fast, saving you hassle in 2025. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.